Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Minnesota. So this matters because it's what officially switches ownership to the new owner so that there's no confusion later about who the vehicle belongs to. So to start, you'll need the vehicle title. The seller should give the buyer the original Minnesota title. If the title can't be found, the seller has to request a duplicate first because the transfer can't move forward without it. Next, complete the information on the title. Everyone listed as an owner on the title must sign. Make sure the odometer reading is written in and the buyer's details are filled out too. If the car still has a loan, include the line holder's name and address where it asks for that information. So after that, write down the insurance company and the policy number. The buyer should also have a valid form of identification, and remember, in Minnesota, the buyer needs to be at least 17 years old to title a vehicle. So once everything is filled out, take the paperwork to a local deputy registrar's office. The transfer only becomes official once the documents are filled and the taxes and fees are paid. So Minnesota also requires this to be done within 10 business days. If it is submitted late, a small penalty gets added. So after it's processed, the state issues a new title in the buyer's name, and that completes the transfer. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.